Turmeric comes from the root of the Curcuma longa plant, which belongs to the ginger family. It has a bright yellow color and a pungent, earthy-sweet flavor, and it has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic and Chinese cuisines. What you may not know here is that turmeric is not only a delicious and versatile ingredient, but also a very powerful natural remedy that can do wonders for your health. In fact, some studies have suggested that turmeric is the most effective nutritional supplement in existence. In this video, we will explore the surprising things that happen to your body when you start taking turmeric every day. And at the end, we will share with you a delicious and easy recipe to help you take it every day. And we will also talk about how much exactly to take and who should never take turmeric. Keep watching until the end, as the last benefit will truly surprise you. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. It relieves joint pain. Are you looking for a natural way to ease your joint pain? If so, you have to try turmeric. Turmeric has powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which means it can reduce the inflammation in your joints that causes pain and stiffness. So, how does it do that? Well, it's all thanks to a compound called curcumin, which is the main active ingredient in turmeric. Curcumin can block the action of certain enzymes and molecules that trigger inflammation in your body. For example, one study found that taking turmeric extract 3 times daily was comparable to taking a 1,200 milligram dose of ibuprofen daily. Both treatments relieved arthritis symptoms and helped to a similar degree. Another study found that taking curcumin capsules twice daily for 6 weeks reduced pain by 45% and stiffness by 47%. Number 2. It improves memory. Memory loss and cognitive decline are common problems as we age, but according to studies, turmeric can actually prevent them and boost your brain function. First of all, turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant agent. This means it can fight the inflammation and oxidative stress that damage your brain cells and cause them to age faster. Turmeric can also boost your brain's neurotransmitters, which are the chemical messengers that help your brain cells communicate. Turmeric can increase the levels of serotonin and dopamine, which are responsible for your happiness and motivation. It can also enhance the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which is a protein that stimulates the growth and survival of new brain cells. BDNF is essential for learning, memory, and brain plasticity, which is the ability of your brain to adapt and change. In fact, in a recent study done in 2018, researchers found that participants who took 90 milligrams of curcumin twice daily for 18 months had improved memory and attention by about 28%. They also had lower levels of amyloid and tau, which are the proteins that accumulate in the brains of people with Alzheimer's. Number 3. It lowers your risk of heart disease. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death worldwide, but did you know that turmeric can actually lower your risk of it? According to studies, curcumin can help reduce inflammation and oxidation and improve the function of the endothelium, which is the lining of your blood vessels. This endothelium helps regulate blood pressure, blood clotting, and blood flow. When the endothelium is impaired, it can lead to heart problems. For example, in a recent study, curcumin was shown to prevent heart attacks in patients who underwent coronary artery bypass surgery. The patients who took 4 grams of curcumin a day before and after the surgery had a 65% lower risk of having a heart attack in the hospital than those who took a placebo. Another study done in 2012 showed that curcumin was as effective as a drug called atorvastatin in improving endothelial function in patients with type 2 diabetes. Before we continue, if you have been enjoying the video so far, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more videos like this. Number 4. It may prevent cancer. Cancer is one of the most feared diseases in the world, but turmeric may actually help prevent it. According to studies, curcumin can help fight inflammation, which is at the root of many diseases, including cancer. Other than that, curcumin can block the growth of blood vessels that feed tumors, prevent the spread of cancer cells to other organs, and trigger the death of cancer cells. Curcumin can also enhance the effectiveness of chemotherapy and radiation therapy and reduce their side effects. In a recent study done in 2019, Researchers found that participants who took 480 milligrams of curcumin twice daily for 6 months had a 40% reduction in the number of precancerous lesions in their colon compared to those who took a placebo. In another study done in 2022, researchers found that an oral rinse of turmeric helped reduce the severity and duration of mouth sores in people who received radiotherapy for head and neck cancers. Number 5. It treats depression. Depression is a serious mood disorder that affects millions of people worldwide. It can cause persistent feelings of sadness, hopelessness, and loss of interest in life. According to studies, turmeric has some amazing antidepressant properties. First of all, the curcumin in turmeric can boost the levels of serotonin and dopamine, which are neurotransmitters that regulate mood, motivation, and reward. In addition, curcumin can modulate the activity of the brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which is a protein that promotes the growth and survival of neurons in the brain. Low levels of BDNF are linked to depression and cognitive impairment. For example, in a recent study done in 2017, researchers found that participants who took curcumin every day had a 55% reduction in their depression scores, compared to 45% for the saffron group. So, if you are feeling depressed or low, why not give turmeric a try? It's natural, safe, and effective. Number 6. It protects your liver and kidneys. Your liver and kidneys are vital organs that perform many essential functions in your body, such as filtering toxins, producing bile, regulating blood sugar, and maintaining fluid balance. According to studies, turmeric can actually help safeguard your liver and kidneys from various threats, thanks to its powerful compound curcumin. Curcumin can reduce the inflammation and oxidative stress that cause liver injury and fibrosis, which is the scarring of the liver tissue. It can also prevent the accumulation of fat in the liver, which can lead to fatty liver disease and cirrhosis. As for the kidneys, turmeric can prevent the formation of kidney stones, which are hard deposits of minerals and salts that can block the urinary tract and cause pain and infection. Turmeric can do this by lowering the levels of oxalate, which is a substance that contributes to kidney stone formation in the urine. Turmeric can also increase the levels of citrate, which is a substance that inhibits kidney stone formation in the urine. Number 7. It boosts antioxidant capacity in your body. Antioxidants are substances that protect your cells from the damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can harm your DNA, proteins, and membranes and lead to chronic diseases. But the curcumin in turmeric is actually a powerful antioxidant that can scavenge these free radicals and increase the activity of antioxidant enzymes. Curcumin can also enhance the antioxidant capacity of other substances, such as vitamin C, vitamin E, and glutathione. By doing so, curcumin can help your body fight off oxidative stress and prevent or reduce the damage to your cells. Number 8. It may increase lifespan. Do you want to live longer and healthier? Of course you do. Who doesn't, right? It may be surprising to hear, but turmeric may actually increase your lifespan according to studies. First of all, turmeric can lengthen your telomeres. Telomeres are the caps at the end of your chromosomes, which protect your DNA from damage. As you age, your telomeres get shorter, and this leads to cellular aging and dysfunction. Curcumin has been shown to increase the activity of an enzyme called telomerase, which can restore and extend your telomeres. This can slow down the aging process and prevent age-related diseases. Other than that, turmeric can also inhibit mTOR, which is an aging protein. mTOR is a protein that regulates cell growth and metabolism. When mTOR is overactive, it can cause excessive cell growth, which can lead to cancer and other diseases. In a recent study, researchers found that curcumin increased the average lifespan of roundworms by 39% and the maximum lifespan by 21.4%. So, as you can see, turmeric can do wonders for your health. But how can you incorporate this spice into your daily diet? Well, one of the easiest and most delicious ways is to make turmeric milk, which is also known as golden milk. Here's how to make it. In a small saucepan, heat up 1 cup of plant-based milk, such as almond, coconut, or oat milk. You can also use dairy milk if you prefer. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, a pinch of cinnamon, and a pinch of ginger. Stir well and simmer for about 10 minutes or until the milk is hot and frothy. You can sweeten it with honey, maple syrup, or your favorite sweetener if desired. Now, enjoy your turmeric milk while it's warm, preferably before bedtime. If you are taking turmeric any other way, always add black pepper to your turmeric, as it can increase the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which enhances the bioavailability of curcumin and prevents it from being broken down by your liver and intestines. You can also add some healthy fat to your turmeric, such as coconut oil, ghee, or olive oil. This can help dissolve the curcumin and carry it into your bloodstream, as curcumin is fat-soluble and poorly absorbed in water. As for the dosage, start with a small dose of turmeric and gradually increase it over time. The recommended dosage of turmeric is about 1 to 3 grams per day. While turmeric is a fantastic spice with a lot of health benefits, it's not for everyone. For instance, if you've got gallbladder problems, you might want to steer clear because turmeric can make things worse by increasing bile secretion. And if you're someone who has a bleeding disorder, turmeric's blood-thinning properties could mean more bruises and bleeding for you. Turmeric can also flare up your stomach issues if you have acid reflux or GERD. Also, avoid taking turmeric if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or trying to conceive, as it may affect your hormone levels and fertility. Turmeric may also stimulate uterine contractions and cause miscarriage or premature labor in pregnant women. Turmeric may also pass into breast milk and affect your baby's health. Now, we want to hear from you. Do you take turmeric regularly? Did you experience some of these benefits before? Share with us your experiences and opinions in the comments below. We love to hear them. Thanks for watching.